Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to understand the nested if functionality in Microsoft Excel application. In the if function, we can get the results as only in two parameters, either true, false, or pass or fail. But if our parameters are more than two, then we should use a nested if function. I'll just show the difference here. And before that, what is nested if means? If function, if formula is in the another formula, that means we are going to use if in the another if formula. Not only one or two, we can add n number of if formulas within the if formula, right? So here I'll just show the basic if function equals to if open bracket equals to if open bracket. If 50 is, if that means C9, if 50 is more than 35, if C9 is more than 35, then I would like to print the result as pass, comma, if it is less than 35, then if not, I would like to print as fail. So here in the if formula, we are comparing a cell between the parameters of pass or fail or true or false. That means not only this, so we can compare only in the between two parameters, but here I would like to print pass, fail, or even one more thing, that is distinction. We cannot get the parameter of distinction because if you are using only if function, we can compare the cell between only two parameter. We cannot add more n number of parameters. Then you should use the nested if formula. So I'm going to erase this. Very simple. So here the condition is if the marks is more than 75, then I would like to show as a distinction, and if the marks is less than 35, then I would like to show as fail. If the marks is more than 35, then I would like to show as pass. So very simple. Equals to if open bracket, this is the first. We'll just start with the if, then we add another if. It's called as nested if. So equals to if C9 is greater than, if C9 is greater than 75, if C9 is greater than 75, then I would like to print as a text double comma open distinction double comma close comma, and here I'm not going to enter if false. Instead of entering what if false, I'm going to add one more if again. If open bracket, that means in a single formula, in a single if formula, we are going to insert another if formula again. If C9 is greater than 35, then I would like to print as pass, right? And again comma, see, first I am comparing whether it is more than 75 or not. If it is 75, directly system stop the calculating and directly shows the result as distinction. If it is not greater than 75, then automatically system jump to the second if, that is nested if. That is again it is going to compare whether it is more than 35 or not. If it is okay, then it is going to print as pass. If not, it is going to print as fail. Double comma close the brackets here. Now it is closed here. Again one more close bracket, then press enter. So here we are going to compare, we inserted one and two if functions, then we are going to compare between distinction, pass and fail. That means we added more than two parameters. If we are using only if function, we can compare cells between two parameters. If we are using nested if, we can compare n number of parameters. Then you just simply drag it down to access the, so this is how simple it is. If it is more than 75, it is going to display as a distinction. If it is more than 35, it's going to show as pass. If it is less than that, then it is going to show as a fail. So this is how it works. Thank you. So what is nested if? If formula within the another if formula. That's it. Thank you.